Welcome to Lesson 1. What are segments and why even use them? According to Merriam-Webster, a segment is a separate piece of something. A bit, a fragment. Well, guess what? In analytics, that's pretty much the same. It's a subset, a bit, a fragment, if you will, of your analytics data. Sometimes we separate and segment data from a date range. Here's our activity from 1 month to the next or previous period. Sometimes we look at it by dimension. Let's identify our organic traffic versus paid versus other channels. And while obviously it's good to compare various metrics across these dimensions, you couldn't necessarily compare different behaviors or even funnels. Now you can. So using our good old Venn diagram, let's see how this looks. We have all of our users. One subset might be all of the US users, because we don't really care about anyone in other countries at this point. More so, this particular example, I have a marketable region. I'm not available in all 50 states, so I might want to just hone in on that behavior. Furthermore, now I want to subset that by my paid marketable region, compare that to my organic marketable region. And now let's look at that behavior in our acquisition funnel. Starting to understand the importance of segments. Here we can see from organically, we have a very low completion rate, but hey, it's free traffic. And our paid is a bit higher than our non-marketable paid users. Pretty good rates there. And it's great to be able to split this across. I can also see where these might overlap and see where people might move in and out of my marketable regions. This is a new feature where we can look back and see at any given time if a user fell within your segment behavior. So in short, segments are about as essential to business analysts as colors are to artists. Really, you can't analyze data without comparing different user behaviors. And without segments, you can't really do that from line-by-line reports either. So understanding this behavior is exactly how we determine where we might need to improve a particular UI element or perhaps grow because we see that particular group is doing much, much better.